So now we are going to talk about how this artificial intelligence is going to help us in surgical communication. So first of all, we'd like to know what is artificial intelligence medical writing tools. इसमें आप लोगों को आइडिया है कि आज कौन से टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं टू अस? चैट जीपीटी और okay. So anyone familiar? Now we have ChatGPT version 4 is available, and there is another one that is Gemini, which is available, which are the latest ones. And for this artificial tools for medical writing, इसमें हमने 5 चीज़ें आपको बतानी है. But this first one is these natural language processing. अब ये जो चीज़ है natural language processing, what is this? This is one of the branch of artificial intelligence, which helps us. It's use AI in medical field, and this is how we tell the computer the language. We feed in the computer the language and tell us what feeling does it has. So पहले हम उसको टेक्स्ट देते हैं, फिर हम उसको बताते हैं कि इसमें फीलिंग्स क्या हैं, वो फिर उसको प्रोसेस करता है. So this is how we make computers learn the natural language processing. फिर जैसे आपको पता चल जाता है. और the second one is machine learning algorithm. और ये क्या चीज़ है? This is the second branch of artificial intelligence. इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये एक ब्रांच है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की, ये दूसरी ब्रांच है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की. और इसको जब हम इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं लर्निंग के लिए, तो वी मेक एल्गोरिदम्स इन एआई, and by the help of those algorithms we make computers able to draw an inference and help us our patient management. ठीक है जी. अब ये जो ऑटोमेटेड साइटेशन एंड रेफरेंसेस है, दिस इज नेक्स्ट फॉर्म. इसकी कोई एग्जांपल हमें दे सकते हैं? आप कोट कर सकते हैं? रिसर्च के लिए यूज़ करते हैं हम, जो सबसे कॉमनली यूज इसकी एग्जांपल है, व्हाट इज दैट? And that is EndNote. How many of us familiar with EndNote? So EndNote is one of the examples. The second is the reference manager, and there are so many other softwares available for this thing. And clinical decision support systems, these are the systems which help us make decision based on the data which we have fed to the computer machines. Plagiarism detection, this is another field where AI helps us make pure presentations. Copy and paste को इससे हम निकाल देते हैं अपनी fields में से. And how does it help us? AI-powered image and audio analysis. Artificial intelligence is such intelligent thing that it interprets the audio messages, visual messages, and then interpret it the way it is told to do. ठीक है जी. अब एडवांस इमेज एनालिसिस की जब बात करेंगे, तो जब भी इसमें AI आर्टिफिशियल के टूल्स देंगे, तो वो उससे इमेजेस को असेस करेंगे, and they will make inference out of it and use for the patient management. Yeah, anything which specifically we are concerned with the surgical patients here, so we'll consider this as a surgical talk. So anywhere I will be saying this, I will be meaning surgical communication. Intelligent audio transcription, this is like when you say hi Siri, hi Google, so that knows who is addressing it. So this is where AI is helping us. अब अगर उसमें आप बात करें, तो इसमें Alexa भी है, Cortana भी है. These are the things which help us. They will help us write the notes जो कि हम लिखना मुश्किल समझते हैं. They will help us write the notes for us. And the next is multimodal data fusion. अब ये ऐसे ही है जैसे एक प्रोफेसर, since I am here at the podium and everyone wants to talk to me, and I say please one by one. लेकिन AI में हमारे पास AI में ये facility है, वो no matter how many people are talking, how much data is presented, AI will process that data and give us the conclusion, yeah, inference which we want to draw, yeah, we want to search for. Uh, so a little about natural language processes. This is the automate. This actually automates text summarization and dissection of key insights. Leverage the sentiment analysis to gauge research, article tone, and impact. It utilizes the named entity recognition to identify important concepts and topics, and it applies language generation to draft concise writing and abstracts. This is where when you ask some artificial intelligence tool to write a presentation for you, और ठीक है जी or machine learning based summarization tool, the first of all it gets the extractive summarization. It extracts the information from the text which has been presented to it, and then it draws the next is abstractive summarization, which generates new text to convey the core meaning. And the next is multi-document summarization. This condenses the information from multiple sources into one summary. Automatic citation and reference management tools. These are AI-powered tools that simplify citation and reference management for medical researchers, which improves the accuracy and efficiency. And the seamless integration with popular academic database and writing applications happens with these tools. और दो के नाम मैंने आपको बता दिए, ठीक है जी, which are commonly used. और कौन कौन से नाम मैंने बताए थे आप लोगों को? जी, one was EndNote and the other was Reference Manager. ठीक है जी. So these are the AI tools which are available to us for research writing. If we look at this SWOT analysis, जब भी आप कोई नई चीज़ आती है तो this is the thing which we do it, या जो ये this is ऐसे कि जब हम किसी चीज़ को खरीदने जा रहे हैं तो we do this SWOT analysis. What is SWOT? Strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. आपने कोई भी चीज़ लेनी है नई तो ऐसे ही ले लेते, कितने लोग वैसे ही जाके नई चीज़ खरीद लेते हैं? How many of you go and buy new things without doing SWOT? So this is the thing which you must do in every aspect of life, but especially हम इसकी बात इसलिए कर रहे हैं कि artificial intelligence, अभी कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि यार what is this? Why should we do this? We are superiors. But दूसरी तरफ कहते हैं कि आप AI को अडॉप्ट करें और उसके साथ आगे चलें, because this is going to be the future. हमारे our few residents asked us कि यार सर ये तो this is going to replace us. हम तो खत्म हो जाएंगे, फिर हम क्या करेंगे? तो क्वेश्चन, उसका आंसर क्या था वो मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले आपको बता दिया है. क्रिएटिविटी नहीं है, क्रिएटिविटी नहीं है. और ठीक है जी, आप अगर इसकी स्ट्रेंथ्स देखें तो इट इम्प्रूव्स राइटिंग एफिशिएंसी एंड मेंटेन्स कंसिस्टेंसी एंड रिड्यूसेस द एरर्स. ठीक है जी. और वीकनेस क्या है? It has a potential for bias. It's a lack of contextual understanding and limited creativity. Contextual understanding का क्या मतलब है? Context का मतलब, what is meant by context? Background है. You just get it to one side. कि आपने किसी चीज के साथ याद कर लिया. Opportunities are opportunities क्या है इसकी? It streamlines the research publication process. It enables collaboration and enhance reproducibility. Threats क्या है? Threats are privacy concerns, over reliance on AI and resistance to technology adoption. ये सारी चीजें में हम we have just talked about them. 11 minutes हो गए. Advantages and limitation क्या है जी? It has efficiency, it is consistent, and it helps us personalization. And limitations क्या है? Artificial intelligence lacks the understanding and cannot replace human creativity. This is what we have just. और challenges क्या है surgical documentation में? These are capturing the nonsense and complexities of surgical procedures in written form. in maintaining the accuracy and attention to detail, aim the fast surgical environment, and ensuring comprehensive documentation to support patient care, billing, and legal requirements. And what role does AI play in improving surgical writing? AI powered tools can automate the note taking process, provide real time feedback, and ensure consistency in the use of medical terminology and formatting. And by leveraging natural language processing and machine learning, these AI assistants can analyze the surgical reports, identify areas for improvement, and provide targeted suggestion to surgeons. इसका हम यूज़ किधर करते हैं जब आप when you have the patient reports with you और आप देखते हैं इसमें आपको देखना पढ़ना पड़ता है सारी चीज़ें खुद इंटरप्रेट करनी पड़ती हैं but when it is in computers you just have to see what is wrong so they will point it out they will highlight it out for you and streamlining surgical workflow with automated documentation that makes seamless note taking is there. It improves the efficiency that is and this and makes the consistent reporting possible. Or artificial powered assistant for surgical notes क्या करते हैं? They help us in automated transcription and make intelligent summarization of what we need to do, and they are contextual assist, they are assistants. What this means if we have seen a patient 10 days ago and we have seen the same patient, they can put that context in the present patient management. And this is done very seamlessly. आपको पता भी नहीं चलता, and the things are in front of you. And what do we mean by automated documentation? That is accurate records, and that saves time and reduces the errors. And this in artificial power tools, yeah, intelligence enhances clarity and consistency in surgical reports by doing what we just said. And this is improves collaboration and information sharing by enhanced care coordination, streamlined handoffs, collaborative documentation, and remote consultation. इसकी जो सबसे कॉमन रिमोट कंसल्टेशन की बाकी सारी चीज़ें which we just talked about, example is that is telemedicine, getting in advice from the patients, from the doctors through telephone lines, and ensuring patient privacy and data security. वो किस तरह AI हमें प्रोवाइड करेगी? That will lead to encrypted data storage, access controls, यानी कि data records are password protected, and cyber security की best practices are there to help us secure this databases, and the compliance with the regulations. इसमें we can get maximum with the AI powered communications. And integrated artificial intelligence powered tools into surgical practice. And how do this help us? They streamline the workflows, they streamline the seamless integration, and the customized implementation is there, and ongoing training which must be there and followed through AI trainers. The future of artificial intelligence assisted surgical communication, इसमें power tool will help us streamline documentation, that will enhance the collaboration and ensure patient safety. That will help us transform the way surgeons share patient information. And automated note taking and report generation will free up surgeons to focus on delivering exceptional patient care. Intelligent virtual assistants will anticipate the needs, will provide real-time decision support, and seamless information integration will be there for the surgical teams. Introduction to AI tools for researchers. इसके अंदर can anybody name some softwares which help us do the research? One is पहले जैसे हमने आपको ChatGPT 4 बताया, Gemini बताया, Copilot है, Elastic है, and there are so many others which help us do research with this artificial intelligence. That makes us literature review and analysis easy and workable. This is how data visualization occurs with the AI. Otherwise, so It's in a systematic way. You start from this point, you end up to this point. And what are the challenges and limitations in which we face with this AI-based models? These are the data quality and bias. And the next is contextual understanding. वो उसमें नहीं होती. आप वो उसमें प्रॉब्लम आती है. Legal or ethical considerations are there, which can help do limit the use of the AI-based models. And AI assisted writing and editing tools. These help us get the automated proofreading, contextual suggestions हमें दे सकते हैं. This is what when you type on search engine bar, which gives you suggestions. This is what is meant by that. And intelligent formatting. फिर आपके उसमें जब आप format की option use करते हैं tool में, जो कि करनी नहीं पड़ती, but if at all करनी पड़े तो that you can do it. अब ये मॉडल काम कैसे करेगा? इसमें भी जैसे पहले आइडिएशन आएगी, फिर डाटा एनालिसिस आएगा, फिर एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन आएगी, एंड फिर वैलिडेशन आएगी. दिस इज हाउ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस मॉडल्स वर्क. और कैसे, हाउ डज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हेल्प अस प्रिडिक्ट? सबसे पहले डाटा कलेक्शन आती है, फिर उसके बाद फ्यूचर इंजीनियरिंग आती है, फिर मॉडल सिलेक्शन है, and that is model training, and then model evaluation of it deployment. And even कोई model, by model training is means के the algorithm which we are making. So algorithms जो patient care के बनाते हैं AI में, उन्हें हम models कहते हैं. तो उसके लिए पहले हम मॉडल जनरेट करते हैं, फिर उसको इवेल्युएट करते हैं, फिर उसकी डिप्लॉयमेंट करते हैं पेशेंट केयर के लिए. ठीक है जी, ये सारी चीज़ें बाद हमने कर ली हैं. दिस इज द प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट एंड विच लुक एट द कोलैबोरेशन, ओवरसाइट. Human expertise is their collaborative effort. Oversight and validation is what where humans come into play. Improving clinical outcome, इसमें how it helps us in risk identification and getting the personalized treatment and enhanced research output. Benefits can it's time saving, it's a quality enhancement and consistency in the terminology. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने नोट्स लिखे हैं तो नेक्स्ट बंदा आएगा तो वो डिफरेंट लिख जाएगा. मैं भी अगर यूज़ कर रहा हूँ तो वही टर्मिनोलॉजी होगी, जो नेक्स्ट बंदा यूज़ करेगा वो भी विल बी हैविंग द सेम terminology. And what is the conclusion? Conclusion and recommendations are: we must try to embrace the artificial power tools. We must foster collaborative artificial intelligence ecosystems. We must upskill and stay ahead. We must prioritize responsible AI development in our institutions. Future is it is increased efficiency, enhanced quality, and personalized approach, and the human and artificial intelligence collaboration. ये सबसे मुश्किल काम है which the world is working these days. And conclusion and future outlook, but this is the peak where we need to go. लेकिन इन सारी चीज़ों के लिए हम तो अभी somewhere इधर ही फिर रहे हैं या दरमियान में हैं, बिकॉज क्योंकि हम जो AI समझते हैं वो AI उससे ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट है. ठीक है जी. एनी क्वेश्चंस? जी, थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shahid, for providing such a comprehensive idea of AI, especially in healthcare. I think the junior doctors and attendants will be most looking forward to the automated documentation aspect of artificial intelligence. Next up, I'd like to invite Dr. Talab Saeed for his presentation. Dr. Talab, the floor is yours.